Here we got a 65 Plymouth with a aftermarket HEMI, not a 426, 528, 750 horse, 5-speed 3-mac transmission, 354 gears, Dana 60, 2 Collie carburetors, ignition, Chrysler Performance, Proformance, 4-wheel disc brakes. Boy, you need disc brakes with this thing. Look at that thing. That's why they call it an elephant motor. You know, I tell you the truth, I never even seen HEMIs way back in the day. They're all 440s or something big, you know, but not a HEMI. But look how wide that sucker is. And it's a good thing it is a HEMI, because you'd be going all the way down there to try to get the spark plugs out, you know, if it wasn't a HEMI. In other words, the HEMI, it's got the plugs on the top, right? That's a heavy motor, man. It's a monster. I guess you need something like that too to hold it down. Manual steering, that's what you need. Manual steering, manual brakes with your disc. Anyway, jeez, fire extinguisher. Oh my God, this thing is ridiculous, man. Holy smokes. I gotta look at that engine again. That is some engine, ain't it? Expensive motor too. These were very much unaffordable back in the day. That's why I never really I don't remember seeing one. I don't remember seeing one like, I mean, I've never seen a car that was a Coupe. It was a HEMI, but it's not, you know, it's cruising around and stuff, and I didn't see the motor. I don't remember seeing one. Some of the stuff at this car show you never would see back in the day, because it was just that damn rare. It's like the rare stuff survived more than the common stuff. And you'd really never know this car driving down the road what it is, except for that big orange HEMI license plate. It's amazing. Probably gets about 5 miles to the gallon, if that. So, aluminum radiator, you definitely would need that with this thing. Yeah, you'd never know this car was what it was driving down the road, unless you heard it, you know, when it opened up.